Okay, guys, so I'm in the kitchen. I was supposed to have a business meeting this week, but it didn't happen. So today is Saturday, and I'm having the business meeting at my house. And my guest is from Nigeria, and they asked for healthy. So here I am in the kitchen cutting up some chicken thighs that look like young bird from Jamaica. Anyways, guys, that's all I could grab from the grocery store next to me. So I am gonna cut up my chicken, guys. Let's get into it. So here I am with a bottle of Jamaican jerk season, which is finished. So I'm using my spoon to scrape everything out. I'm leaving no soldier behind. I'm gonna clean this bottle out. So here I go with the 1.5 teaspoon of jerk seasoning in my pan. Guys, this is another seasoning that my cousin Marcy sent to me from Jamaica, which I think she collect from the 14th parish. You need nothing but this, guys. So let's go. So here I am, guys, mixing in the Jamaican seasoning with the jerk seasoning together. So let's okay, guys, so I'm mixing the seasoning together, and if you do need more as you cook, you put it. So guys, here's a pasta that my grandson and my grandnephew like this pasta. Okay, so let them know, tag them and let them know that my grandson like this pasta. So guys, I'm gonna put on some water to boil because I'm leaving the chicken to marinate a bit. So I'm washing out my pot, guys. As you know, we Jamaican and African, when we're washing, we shake everything out. Okay, so here's my water on the stove, and I'm putting in some salt and let my water boil. So these are the vegetables I'm working with. That's your green onion, that's some cherry tomatoes, red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper, guys. And I have some cucumber and salad dressing. And guys, that season right there in the white bottle is something that you don't leave out when you're doing any form of vegetable and pasta making. I will try to tag you guys in the comment later. So my water is boiling up, and I kind of turn the stove down a little bit, and here I go. I put my pasta in, and I have to use a spoon a bit to separate them. Pasta bomb, 10 minutes cooked pasta. So I'm going to start with my chicken now. So I pour some oil in the pan. Yeah, want my oil to get hot, guys, so then I can put my chicken in. So guys, here I am back again in my beautiful Jamaican apron that I love so much, guys. And of course, I'm taking some time out to show. So here I am with the chicken on the fire cooking, guys. I didn't use any browning because I didn't want my chicken to be brown. I wanted to blend in with my salad and my veggie. So here I am with the chicken on the stove cooking, smelling good. You should be up in this kitchen. Oh, this smell will knock you out, guys. Smells so great, can't wait. So here I am draining off the water off my pasta. So here I am draining off the hot water from the pasta, guys, and putting it on the stove. I put a little bit of cold water, a little bit to cool it down from overcooking, and then I drain that. I finished my chicken, and I'm going to separate it from the pan to take off excessive oil. Okay, guys, so here I am putting in my special sauce. Guys, I was going to use everything that I show you on the counter to put in the pasta, but with this bottle of garlic sauce, you need nothing else, guys. And also this sauce, I would recommend that if you're cooking mashed potato, if you're doing lobster, if you're doing shrimp, this sauce is the thing to use, guys, I'm telling you. And it's from like a Portuguese store here in Toronto. So I'm adding my vegetable, guys. I'm adding in my vegetable and mixing with my sauce, my garlic sauce, guys, which is amazing. You guys should be up in this kitchen to smell this delicious. So here I am with my Kraft. So here I am, guys, with my seasoning from Kraft, and it's the poppy salad dressing. So guys, I am trying to mix everything evenly together, and I'm adding some more of my garlic Portuguese season again, and add my vegetables. So guys, I added some fresh cucumber, some tomato. Like I told you guys, you can add whatever you want to add, right? So I left the tomato and the green onion for last. Okay, guys, and here we are. Voila, lunch is ready for me and my guests, guys. Yes, my guest is from Nigeria, guys. So here I am. So yep, this is me trying out my pasta salad, guys. It's amazing. And there Okay, guys, so that's one of my guests enjoying the salad, enjoying the meat, enjoying the chicken, the flavor and everything. I felt amazing. Job well done. And powerful woman. I am glad that, I met someone like this. Very amazing. And this business meeting did turn out great, like the salad. Yes, guys. Peace out.